Life's too short to even care at all. Whoa, oh. I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. Whoa, oh. Wet words aches for the beat of a drum. Whoa, whoa. If I could find a way to see this straight, I would run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to calm down, calm down. Okay, now it's the tutorial time, but why do I look like a ghost? I look like Casper. Is this a better lighting? Yeah? Yes? No? I don't know. I can't really take off my hoodie right now because I look like something else. Okay, let's go over the chords first. It's gonna be D, A, G, A. Oh, there's several more, but it's mostly like repeated, so that's a good start. So for the verse 1, it's gonna be D, which is these three, and A, which is this and that, and then you're gonna do G, that, and you're gonna do A again, and it's basically repeated. Isn't that great? And for the verse 1, I did like plucked, but I just used the basic one, like the basic of all. I just did what did I do? Yeah. So you see that? I plucked this first and this second. It's like 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, like that, and just repeat it. So I would just do like, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see me plucking? Yeah. Life's too short to even care at all. Oh, A, oh. And you're gonna do G now. I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control. Now go on a D. These fishes in the sea, they're staring at me. Oh, oh. And you're gonna do A. I changed to A. Now going to G. Wet word aches for the beat of a drum. A, oh, oh. And I just strum it down once. And then for the chorus, it's a little different. And you're gonna do B minor, which is cover this alt thing and go to the top, like that. And then you're gonna do A, like that. And then you're gonna do G. And then A, back to A. So for the chorus is B minor, A, G, A. Repeat it. And now let's go over that. And I just kind of strum it down for the chorus. If I could find a way to see this street, I would run away. And I changed to A. To some fortune that you're gonna do G. I should have found. Oh my gosh, my bad. There's B minor too. By now. Okay, my bad. I messed it up. Let me go over that again, okay? For the chorus, you're gonna do B minor, A, and G, back to B minor, and you're gonna do A. Okay? And for, yeah, it's repeated. And then let's do the last part of the chorus. I'm waiting for this G, cough syrup, B minor, and you're gonna do A to calm down, calm down. I'm gonna put this chords in the comments, and oh my gosh, I feel like I messed it up big time, but if you have any questions, comment down below, and I will get back to you. Bye.